Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the dollar index, Euro USD, and also gold. Uh, Before we move forward, disclaimer and what we are going to discuss in this video. The material is for educational purposes only and it is not financial advice. Okay, so what we are taking a look at is the dollar index, which is a basket of major currencies. In our previous video, what we had discussed was we were looking for a pullback, and this is exactly what we got. So we got a pullback right to this 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, and we think that actually there is further pullback to go. So we were looking at pullback between 95.50 and 95 level. So that's what we have drawn here. This is equivalent to this last pullback here, and this is how we achieved that target. Furthermore, we had this 61.8% retracement level also coming here about 94.70. So in this region, we are expecting this pullback between 95 to 94.80, and what we saw this first pullback to 38.2% retracement level. What we have seen is that price reached that level and rallied and is right at the moment in the resistance zone. So there's a possibility that the kind of pattern we are looking at is a ABCD kind of pattern like this one, which is going to take us down to this 95 level, and which means that dollar is going to go lower, which could be positive for gold. And now we're going to take a look at is the Euro USD, where things are a little bit more clear. So we take a look at Euro USD here. So we had a number of ABCDs coming together around at 113 level, and this is what we were expecting, that the price will find support at 113, which it kind of did for a day around here, and then went lower. So where it's possible that some cycles actually took it lower. So there could be a longer term cycle which was bottoming with the combination of some smaller cycles around here, which were also kind of bottoming, and because the momentum, the price actually went lower to around 1.618 expansion level, which is 1.123 level. We were initially expecting the price to reach around 1.1290, which is the 61.8% retracement level, and then there are some ABCD cycles here. If you're interested in learning more about what the cycles we are talking about, these ABCD patterns, on the channel, please have a look at the previous video which was done, and you'll find more information on that. In this video, I'm going to keep it short. I'm not going to go in details. Okay, so what do we have now? What the price has done from here is quite interesting, because it rallied right into the 38.2% retracement level around 113.80, and it found resistance from here, which was kind of expected of this 38.2% retracement level, and it rotated lower. And then what it has done in this little move over last week or so, week and a half, excuse me, the price has actually come right at the 78.6% retracement level today. It touched that, and then at the moment we have seen a a good amount of pips where the market has actually rallied. So as we had discussed in the other video, what we are looking at is actually a possible move for the price to rotate higher in this ABCD fashion and reach this 1.146 level, which is the 38.2% retracement level of this ABCD move. So this one here. So I'm going to move it here so it's a little bit easier to see. So this is the kind of the target we are looking at. So it's possible that what the price might do is what it had done. It had made a correction to about this much in its previous kind of a leg lower. So it is possible that price might actually reach here. So we are looking at anywhere between 1.1430 to 1.1460 as the kind of place for the price to target. And if we take a look at this little ABCD, so it is also going to take us to around this level. So what it means is, what we are watching is basically this ABCD, little ABCD formation, and price reaching around anywhere between 114.30 to 114.60. Let's do one more check what sort of expansion it might be. So yeah, it has got several things going between, there is also 1.272 expansion of this move here, so around 114.30 is a possible a good kind of resistance where price actually possibly could turn. So anywhere in this region of 1430 to 1460 will be watching that for price action. But it looks like at the moment that the price is actually going to rotate higher and form this ABCD pattern like this. And this is what we have also seen in the dollar index, where we are targeting anywhere between 95. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on this, and we'll see how this pattern is unfolding. But at the moment, it looks like it's in this ABCD pattern with the 114.30 kind of the region where it's likely to go. So let's take a look at the gold. So the gold is very interesting. If you have been following our channel, we had mentioned that this was 1867 to 1877 was a critical level because of this pattern formation. And if you want to learn more about this pattern formation, please watch the old video on the channel, where we actually explain that how we reach this price zone of 1867 to 1877 as being a critical level. And it's been a few weeks ago, and the price has actually not closed higher. It's just rotated lower. So now what the gold is doing is, it looks quite interesting, and price seems to be supportive here for higher prices. We don't look that much into moving averages, but what we have going on here is this 200-day moving average coming in with this black line. And if price actually begins to close two consecutive closes above this, this will be very positive for the price of gold. So initially what we were looking for was a move down to 1750, so 1751 to 1720 as the support zone. So this is the 61.8% retracement and 78.6% retracement level. We were also discussing possible this AB CD kind of a pattern formation when it had rotated lower, and then it tried to rally, and then the price actually did not move higher. So we were looking at the possibility of ABCD taking it down to 1720. However, what we are finding is that price is actually finding support in this region, and it's possible that it can go to 1751, but looks like at the moment it is fairly supportive. And if the price of dollar is going to go down, that's even more supportive. So this is what we are watching in gold. We are taking a look at this price pattern. Shorter term, if the price is actually going to rotate higher, 1807 is the level. So 1807 to this swing of 1815, we should watch this area, or shall we say about 1810, 1807 to 1820, this region. If price begins to close higher, then it is going to be fairly constructive, because from a momentum perspective, it'll be above the 200-day moving average, and at that point it'll also get above the shorter term 20-day moving average, which a lot of short-term traders take a look at. So it will also get some good momentum behind it. So this is what we are watching at the moment in gold. If you like what you see in the videos and you like our the way we perform the technical analysis using pattern recognition and Fibonacci ratios, then please do subscribe to the channel. Please do hit the like button and also the bell icon, so that way you will know when the future videos will come out and you will not miss anything. So thank you very much for watching the videos, and have a great day and night, evening, wherever you are. Good luck and good trading.